Christ Power International Christian Center, House of Mercy, presents Crossover with No Carryover. One night of supernatural encounter. Theme: Wonders of God. Date: Saturday 31st December 2016. Time: 9 p.m. prompt. Venue: Christ Power City, Alimoko Street by Celeb Bus Stop off Badagry Expressway, Isashi, Lagos, Nigeria. Featuring salvation, deliverance, healing, breakthrough, and more. Your host, Apostle Dr. Gaslov Okon Inaki, the browser.
And Jesus will touch you today. Your glory and your destiny will be restored.
For more information, call the numbers on your screen. Christ Power International Christian Center, preaching Christ, demonstrating His power.